Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you love abstract wall art like I do, then this is a video you want to watch. Today I wanted to share how I made this beautiful painting using the dirty pour technique, which is really very simple. I started off by painting my wood panel with black acrylic paint. I made sure to get the sides as well and then let it dry, and it really didn't take that long for it to dry. Arteza was so kind to send their metallic acrylic paints for me to try. These paints come in a set of 8. It says on the box that they are water-based, has a heavy body, a glossy finish, dries quickly, and is non-toxic. So let's see how it comes out. I'm going to be using the colors Pearl Space Gray, Pearl Deep Brown, Silver, and Pearl White. Since it has a heavy body, I'm going to mix it with a little bit of Floetrol and water. After I mixed the paints, I poured it into 1 cup. Next, I swirl the paint around in the center of the canvas. Then I shift it around the canvas. I noticed that I did not have enough paint for 2 of the corners, so I decided to add a little bit more of acrylic paint and then use my heat gun to blend it together. Once it dried, which took about 1 day, I poured resin on top to protect the painting and give it a finished look. And here's how it turned out. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great week.